What's up, you guys? I'm going to give you a step-by-step of how I am making this blue ammo charcuterie board. So first, I'm using a tabletop resin in the bottom. Everything I use is going to be linked down below. Popping all the bubbles and then putting my swirl marks in there. I'm going to let the exothermic reaction basically handle the rest. Of course, pop your bubbles again because you're going to make some. Listen. I had to let you listen to that. Oh my goodness. All right, so here I'm just kind of getting a rough idea of what I want this to look like, because once I pour the resin in, everything's kind of just gonna like get moved around. But our main goal is to not have anything touching the sides, so that way I can square it up after it's done. Here we're mixing up our casting resin. I use Promise Epoxy. Here is the 10% off coupon, and the link to get there will be down below as well. This is a 2-to-1 mix ratio, so you're gonna add 2 parts to 1 part, and then you mix thoroughly. If you don't know how to mix, I have a video on that as well. Pour your resin in. Like I said, everything's just gonna move around. These do not float, and the resin gives the casings enough time to release all of their bubbles. So here I am just getting everything where it's supposed to be. Like I said, move it away from the edges so you don't have to cut into them. Pop your bubbles one more time, and I'm gonna be releasing a part 2 where we're gonna be finishing and all of that. So like, follow, share, and I will see you on the next one.